web design, SEO for local business in Minnesota, and also reputation management and CRM software. We'll also be showing how to edit a video here. So we'll just jump right in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up Adobe Premiere and then drop in your clip. I found this to be helpful for uploading YouTube videos. Not always the loudest on camera, so what I do is I come in and I right click and click on audio gain on my audio file, and I'll bump it up 10 usually, is usually what I have to do. And then when you watch it, you'll see, let's see, so I want my dB to be between usually around 6 or 9. It keeps it louder so people can hear me. So we're just going to leave it at that. And now the next thing I'm going to show you to get rid of the background noise is a big one too. So what you do is go into effects, type in denoise, click on denoise, and then you drop that on the audio file, and then you'll come into the edit. And what I do is I usually bump it up to 50. You'll see kind of how it comes in here. You want to make sure you don't distort your voice too much, but you'll see as we're listening here. So you can turn it off and see what it sounds like. There's a little more background noise. Turn it back on. It just makes the background a lot more crisp and clean. So we'll leave it at that, and that's how I would do that. I realized I forgot to turn off the audio that was playing in the background as I was talking after I did the denoise effect. So it's a little, it makes it hard to hear. So I'm just clipping this in there. So after you do the denoise, then you can just save it out, export it, and then upload it to YouTube, and then I'll make your video sound a lot better. If you like this video, like below, subscribe, and I'll keep creating content like this. Thank you.